Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Ollama in VS Code. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to install Ollama on your system. So you're going to go to the official website of Ollama, that is https://ollama.com. So you're going to install the exe file, and once it is downloaded on your computer, you're going to simply click on it and follow the wizard in order to run it. And then you're going to go to the search bar and type in cmd, and then you're going to search for Ollama version. And if you're able to see the version, then that means that Ollama has successfully been installed. Next, you're going to download a model you want to use. So you can either download Llama 3, Mistral, Ollama, which is better for coding. You can install whatever you want. So you're going to type the command down Ollama pull Llama 3. So it's going to take a while to install, maybe from 20-30 minutes till an hour. It depends on your network. It is basically a 4.7 GB file. And once it's installed, you can run it as an API server. To run it, simply type down Ollama serve, and by default, it will run at your local host port. Now, to use Ollama inside VS Code, you're going to install an extension first. So you're going to open VS Code, go to extensions bar, and you can search for Continue, Code GPT, or even Ollama. But I'll suggest you to go with Continue. And once you have installed Continue, you're going to open its config file and add Ollama as a provider. And once you have done that, now you can chat with your local model, ask it to edit code and generate functions. And for a better experience, you can use GPU if available, keep models small, such as 7B, 8B if your RAM is limited, and combine with extensions like Continue for inline edits. You can also use prompt templates for repetitive coding tasks. And that was basically how you can use Ollama in VS Code. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.